VPN stands for Virtual Private Network. It is an encrypted connection over the internet from the device to the network. The encrypted connection helps ensure that the sensitive data is safely transmitted. It prevents unauthorized people from eavesdropping on the traffic and allowing the user to conduct work remotely. Hello everyone, welcome to Coding Stunts. I am Ashwara Saxena and this is Cybersecurity series. In this video, I am going to talk about virtual private network, its working and many more. So stay tuned till the end. How does VPN work? A VPN extends a corporate network through encrypted connections made over the internet. Because the traffic is encrypted between the device and the network, traffic remains private as it travels. An employee can work outside the office and still securely connect to the corporate network. Even smartphones and tablets can connect through a VPN. What is secure remote access? Secure remote access provides a safe, secure way to connect users and devices remotely to a corporate network. It includes VPN technology and the user's strong way to authenticate the user or device. VPN technology is available to check whether a device meets certain requirements, also called a device posture, before it is allowed to connect remotely. Is VPN traffic encrypted? Yes, of course. Traffic on the virtual network is sent securely by establishing an encrypted connection across the internet known as a tunnel. VPN traffic from a device such as a computer, tablet, or smartphone is encrypted as it travels through this tunnel. So I hope the concepts discussed in this video are clear. In case you have any query, please drop it in the comment section for me to help you out. See you in the next video, and if you are new to this channel, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe.